they having three 5 members single heteroatom containing compounds present in the heterocyclic rings. So that topic we have to cover here. Now I am sharing my today's presentation slides, that is heterocyclic compounds of one of the heterocycles, which is mentioned as a 5-member heterocyclic moiety. So this is a presentations. Heterocyclic compounds early in the last lectures already recorded sessions uploaded in Google Classrooms POC3. Now we have to move with the next sessions related with this unit 3 heterocyclic compounds. In heterocyclic compounds, generally we have to discuss about the properties, their preparations, that is called as synthesis, and the reaction. Synthesis, which these are the heterocyclic compounds, their preparations or synthesis we have to call, and after that various reactions and the compound containing medicinal compounds, heterocyclic ring containing medicinal compounds and their uses. So this study we have to discuss every times in heterocyclic compounds in unit 3 as well as in unit 4. These are the some examples of 5 member, 6 member, 7 members. These are the examples of 5 member heterocyclic compounds. These are the 5 member heterocyclic compounds. In that, these three are the single heteroatoms containing 5 members, and others are the more than one heteroatom present in the structures. Like that. Similarly, apart from this, these are the examples which show in the slides are the 6 members heterocyclic rings, along with this is the example of 7 member heterocyclic rings. And apart from these rings, quinolines, isoquinoline, acridine, indoles, and purine. These are the fused heterocyclic rings. Out of that, this acridine, quinoline, and isoquinolines are the examples of benzofuse, along with this indoles. Whereas this purine is a heterocyclic ring fuse with each others. Here, the fusing of benzo ring fused with the heterocyclic rings. Here, one of the heterocyclic ring fused with the other heterocyclic rings. That is, purine is the examples. Like that, here in purine, this is structure of 6 members and this is structure of 5 members. That is imidazoles and pyrimidines. This is a pyrimidine and this is imidazoles. Both the heterocycle fuse to form the bicyclic compounds. So now as per your syllabus concerns, we have to move with the first heterocyclic compound we have to study here. That is the 5 member oxygen containing heterocyclic ring. That ring is called as furon. It's a name, common name is furon. The structure is like that, 5 member along with unshared electron present in the oxygens. And this structure is orbital pictures. Here, this pi bondings, pi electron present in the p orbits, they overlap with sidewise overlapping and to make the this type of double bonds in orbits, whereas in between two pi orbits there is making of another double bonds, and this unshared electrons which is present on oxygen atoms in furons, they involved in the migration of this pi electron present in the structures, and this electrons present on oxygen atom, they are in sp2 hybridized orbital state, whereas in O in oxygens unhybridized p orbit is present. So this unshared electron present in the oxygens, they involved in the delocalization of these pi electrons. And to make the this compound is furan is a aromatic in nature. Aromaticity characters: compound should be cyclic in nature. Compound should be alternate single double bonds, and it passes 4n plus 2 pi electron rule, that is Huckel rule. Those compounds are cyclic in nature, alternate single double bonds, and passes Huckel rules. Their compounds are called or showing the aromatic characters. Here, for the delocalization of these 5 electrons, these oxygens, 2 unshared electrons are involved. They donate its electrons and to make the electronic configuration by migration of or delocalization of pi electron. And due to this, the furan is aromatic in characters. Aromaticity relative with the furans. Furan having molecular formula 4 carbon atoms and 1 oxygen, and all are sp2 hybridized orbital structures, all atoms. Sp2 hybridized nothing but the structure is planar in nature, and in furans oxygen is a heteroatoms, whereas all the p orbitals of furans they overlapping with each others in parallel sides, sidewise overlappings, and to make the two pi bonds in between carbon carbon single bonds, carbon carbon double bond making due to the sidewise parallel overlapping of p orbitals, p electrons, pi electrons in furans. The total number of non-bonding electrons present in furan is 6, because as per the Huckel rules, 4n plus 2 means n is equal to 1. If you put n is equal to 1, there is formation of 6. If 6 pi electron is present in the structures along with cyclic and alternate single double bonds, it showing the aromatic character. Similarly, here which type of 6 non-bonding electrons? 4 from the carbon-carbon double bonds and 2 from the oxygens. Which oxygens? This one, these electrons having the non-bonding electrons and to form the resonance structure. So on that basis or these characteristics, the particular furan is a aromatic in nature. These are the property of the furans. Furan is 4 carbon containing 1 oxygen heteroatoms present in the ring. That compound is called as furans, and it passes Huckel's rules. Put n is equal to 1. Due to this circumstances, this evidences the furan is aromatic in nature. This is the first property of the furans. Now we have to move with the some synthesis or some preparation of the furan. First method for the preparation of furan is Palnor synthesis. Palnor synthesis nothing but is the formation of furan from 1,4 dicarbonyl compounds. These are 1,4 dicarbonyl compound general structures. There is a loss of water molecules, and to make the cyclizations, one of the oxygens of dicarbonyl and another dicarbonyl oxygens are removed by dehydration in presence of acids, and to make the disubstituted 1 and 5, 2 and 5 position, numbering starting 1 to the oxygens, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 2 and 5 substituted furan is formed. That synthesis is called as Palnor synthesis from 1,4 dicarbonyl compound to make the furans in presence of acid. This is acid catalyzation reactions to form the furans. In MCQ type question or objective type questions, how will you prepare furan from 1,4 dicarbonyl compounds? identify the so and so synthesis. A, B, C, D, Palmer synthesis, Hans analysis, Hans synthesis. Like that, Hoover synthesis given the options to the multiple choice questions. In such a type of questions, you have to identify the correct name of that particular synthesis whose starting material is 1,4-dicarbonyl compound. If you observe here, if you start with 1 here positions, then from 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth position, another carbonyl group is present. Here, the mechanism of this Palmer synthesis, 1,4-dicarbonyl compounds undergo acid catalyzations. There is addition of one of the hydrogen atoms towards oxygen atoms and formation of hydroxide ions, followed by another hydrogen ions attack to the carbonyl carbons, and there is a cyclization is occurs. This is intermediate steps. Further, again hydrogen atoms attach to OR at these positions and to make the necessary final product by liberation of two molecules of water. This type of reaction is called as Palmer synthesis. If you take the screenshot of these slides, you have to take. Otherwise, in Google Classroom, this whole video will be uploaded afterwards. Second synthesis, that is phase T Bernoulli synthesis. This is one of the another synthesis to prepare the substituted furans. This is a substituted furans. The starting material for this PST Bernoulli synthesis is a alpha halo ketones. Here ketone is the primary functional groups. From ketones, this is a alpha carbon atom, and alpha carbon atom, the halogen is substitutions. This alpha halo ketones are reacted with activated ketones in presence of base. Here base is used instead of ammonia. The base is NaOH is used, and to make the formation of substituted furans. This type of reaction is called as PST Bernoulli synthesis. The reaction in between alpha haloketones with beta keto esters. Here primary functional group is ester. This carbon atom is alpha. This carbon atom is beta. Here beta position keto group is present. Beta keto esters in presence of base to give the substituted furans. That type of reaction is called as PST Bernoulli synthesis. Their mechanism is like that. First, activated beta keto esters, they undergo react with the base. This base is directly attached to the carbonyl compounds, acquire the negative charge over it. Then migration of this negative charge over adjacent carbon atoms, and further react with alpha haloketones, and to make the necessary cyclization process carried out, and by liberation of one of the water molecules, and to make the final 2, 3, 4, 5 substituted furan as a final product of PST Bernoulli synthesis. This is the second preparation reactions of furans. Now another methods from carbohydrate you have to prepare. How will you prepare the furans? This is the structure of furans. Here carbohydrate is used. Pentose is the molecules. They undergo react with the sulfuric acids. In presence of acids, the pentose react with the sulfuric acids. This pentose convert into furan aldehydes. This is the aldehydic part, and this part is furan. The name is furfuryls. They undergo react with the calcium oxide. catalytic decompositions of furfurances and to make the final our compound, that is furon. This is another method to prepare the furans. These are the some methods for the preparation of furans. Now move with the, once you have to prepare the furans, that furans undergo various reactions to give final products. The major important reaction of any heterocyclic compound, that is electrophilic substitutions. Name itself indicate that there is a substitution of electrophiles. What is meant by electrophiles? Electro means negative charge. Negative charge. Electro means negative charge. Loving. Philic means loving species. कौन negative charge attract करतो? Those having positive charge. Electrophiles, nothing but the positive charge species is called as electrophile. They acquire the negative charge species. They attract the negative charge species towards it. That compounds are called as electrophiles. So the first reactions of furon is electrophilic reactions. Furons undergo electrophilic reactions specifically at second positions rather than other positions, second and fifth. If you go with the second carbon atoms, if electrophilic means positive charge species attack over or attack on furons, their electric configurations is like that. There is a making of delocalization of the double bonds into it and to make the stable resonance structures, conservating structures. This is one of the major stable electrophilic conservating structure is two substituted electrophiles position rather than the third positions, because electrophiles where they are substituted, कुठं substitute होतं जिथं पर्टिक्युलर पोझिशनला इलेक्ट्रॉन डेन्सिटी जास्त असेल. तर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेन्सिटी कुठं असेल जिथं इलेक्ट्रॉन जास्त असतील त्या पर्टिक्युलर फ्युरॉनवर, तिथंच पर्टिक्युलर इलेक्ट्रोफाइल्स सबस्टिट्यूट होईल इझिली, ना की जिथे इलेक्ट्रॉन डेन्सिटी कमी असेल. इफ यू ऑब्झर्व विथ द C3 position substitutions, the electron density is lesser one, lesser stable than this type of formats. So more prefer electrophilic substitutions, electrophile substitutions on furon is a second positions. If second is blocked, this position is blocked, then this position is second position for the substitution of electrophile. If both the blocks, then shifted with the third and fourth positions. But as per the resonating structures of the furons, the C2 position, second positions, is more attacking position for electrophiles rather than C3 position, because as per the resonating structures, the maximum electron density was observed at second position and fifth positions, whereas lesser density was observed at third and fourth position. So whatever the electrophiles attack on furons, they occupy first where the electron density is higher ones. If that positions are blocked, if second and fifth position are blocked in furons, then electrophile substitution might be at third and fourth position only, because they give the this type of stable configurations. This is a stable configurational structure, resonance structures. Resonance structure कसं तयार होतं? Due to the delocalization of the pi electrons. Pi electrons म्हणजे काय? जिथं कार्बन कार्बन डबल बॉन्ड्स आहे, pi electrons डोनेट करतात चार्ज सोबत, जिथं चार्ज जास्त आहे पॉझिटिव्ह चार्ज तिकडे ते डोनेट करतात and they acquire the positions. If you see in these examples, The pi electrons sharing its electrons towards the negative charge, and this charge transfer over here. Similarly, the bonding electrons present on oxygen atoms, they migrate their electron towards adjacent, and to make the double bonds in between, and oxygen acquires positive charge by how? By sharing of this bonding electron oxygen towards adjacent carbon-carbon single bonds, and to make the double bonds, and this charge acquired over oxygen atoms. So this stable oxygen containing positive charge having the stable resonating structure rather than the other resonating structures. So on that basis, C2 is the most favorable position for electrophilic substitutions. Are you understand? So first reaction, electrophilic substitution, that is reduction reactions. Protonation of the furan. First reaction is protonations, addition of H plus ions on furans. There is substitution of hydrogens at second position, the intermediate formation, like that. Another electrophilic substitution reactions, nitration, sulfonations, halogenation, Friedel-Crafts alkylation, Friedel-Crafts acylation. These five reactions are come under electrophilic substitution reactions. For nitration, it requires nitrating mixtures. Nitrating mixture nothing but as a mixture of nitric acid and H2SO4. This mixture is used for the nitration purpose. Nitration nothing but NO2 substitution on particular benzene ring or particular heterocycles, aromatic heterocycles. Here, first is nitration reactions. Nitrating mixtures, the nitro group from nitrating mixtures, they substituted over furans and to form the mixture of two nitrofurans and 2,5 dinitrophuran as a product of nitrations. Second reaction is the sulfonations. Sulfuric acid in pyridine. Pyridine act as a solvent, and sulfuric acid for sulfonation only H2SO4 is used for sulfonation purpose. Sulfonation means SO3H substitution, sulfonic group substitutions on aromatic rings. In furan is a aromatic rings. Sulfonation is occur at second positions and 2,5 positions. Formation of both the mixture. But the major product is 2 substituted is the major product. If you consider both the product having 100%, out of that near about 70% with 2 positions, whereas 30% with 2,5 substituted product. So major product is 2 substituted product. If halogenation occurs in presence of, for example, chlorination is occurs on furans, 2-chloro is a major product, whereas minor product is 2,5-dichloro. Here, acylation is carried out. For acylation, acetic anhydride is used in presence of barium fluoride to form the 2 substituted acyl product. 2-acyl furan is a major electrophile substituted products. Second reaction apart from electrophilic substitution, हे electrophilic substitution व्यवस्थित थोडंसं ऑब्झर्व करा आत्ताच, because all the heterocyclic compounds किंवा all the heterocyclic rings, they undergo electrophilic substitution majorly, or all aromatic compounds are electrophilic substitution reaction undergo easily rather than the nucleophilics, because the high electron density, because all the aromatics compounds, aromatic rings having high electron density. For high electron density, it requires positive charge substitutions. So positive charge substitutions or positive charge species are called as electrophiles. So that's why the electrophiles are easily undergo substitution rather than the nucleophiles. Opposite charge attract each others. Like that, here the all aromatic rings, furan, 5 members, benzenes, all are highly electron dense rings because due to the delocalization of the pi electrons. So highly dense rings they prefer electrophilic reaction easily. नको म्हणलं तरी इझिली रिएक्शन होतात. Whereas nucleophiles means negative charge species, negative attraction होत नाही, repulsion होतं. There is a no reactions or under drastic conditions nucleophilic reaction also carried out. But the reaction condition is maintained properly for nucleophilic substitution. Otherwise, no reaction is carried out with nucleophiles. Apart from electrophilic substitutions, reduction reactions of furans. Here furans undergo reduction in presence of ranitidines. There is formation of tetrahydrofurans. Means there is a addition of one of the hydrogen molecules on this double bonds and another hydrogen molecule to the another double bond, single carbon-carbon double bond. There is an addition of 4 hydrogen. That's why tetrahydrofurans. The short form is THF was prepared. Next reactions is a Diels-Alder reactions. Already you have to heard Diels-Alder reaction in dienes. So that reactions here carried out. Here dienes and cyclized product, that is dimethyl malate, they react with the furans. Here oxygen is a more electric negative atoms. They are relocalizing the pi electron present in the furans, not overly effective. But in Diels-Alder reactions, the dienophile act as a furan. Furan act as a dienophiles, whereas diene act as a dimethyl malate. This dimethyl malate react with the furans. They undergo cycloaddition reaction in presence of some amount of heat required and to form the cycloaddition product by breaking of these double bonds, formation of this the breaking of these double bonds, formation of 2 new bonds along with another double bonds by shifting. So addition product was forms. This type of reaction is called as Diels-Alder reaction. In Diels-Alder reactions, furan act as a dienophiles. Another reaction is pyrrole synthesis. Whatever the pyrrole, another example of pyrrole is the 5 members. They are prepared from furans. Furans undergo react with ammonia in presence of aluminium to make the pyrrole as a final product. Here substituted pyrrole also we have to use, instead of ammonia we have to use primary amines in presence of aluminium to form the pyrroles. Unsubstituted pyrrole was formed. This process is industrially used process for the preparation of pyrroles. Same reaction you have to observe in the detailed study with the pyrroles. These reactions you have to study in preparation of pyrroles once again. These are the some reactions or some synthetic reactions of furols. First is electrophilic substitution. These are the some electrophilic substitution reactions. Second is reduction reactions in presence of ranitidines, formation of hydrogen substituted furan, that is tetrahydrofurans. Diels-Alder reactions. In Diels-Alder reactions, furan act as a dienophile in Diels-Alder reactions and to form the cycloaddition product in presence of dimethyl malate and industrial preparation of pyrroles. And finally, the medicinal uses containing furon is a final heterocyclic ring present in the medicinal compounds. The nitrofurans is the one of the best example of furon containing. This is a furon is a basic ring present in the nitrofurans. These are the examples of nitrofurazins, furazolidiums, nitrofurantins. These are the examples. They act as a anti-infective agents against the antiprotozoal against the protozoal infections. Protozoal infections are the trypanosomonas conditions. These nitrofurans are used. These nitrofurans having the furon as a basic rings. Another is a ranitidine antihistaminic H2 blockers containing furon is the basic rings. You have to study this ranitidine in the medicinal chemistry 2 antihistaminic drugs in third years. In that conditions, that drug is act as antihistaminic. It blocks the H2, that is histaminic receptor H2 blocking, and that due to that blocking, there is a release of hydrochloric acid near about 70% HCl release in the stomach are blocked with this ranitidine. These are the some medicinal uses of furon containing medicinal compounds. These are some references I have to use for preparation of this fuels.